Hey guys, a wonderful evening to you all. Here I am with another new topic that is all about adjective. In this video, we will be doing the definition and the types of adjective, and after this, I will be giving you out the uses and the rules of adjective. Hope you all are enjoying my sessions. If you haven't watched the previous videos, I have given the link of the previous videos in the description box. Kindly go through it. Before I start my session, I do request you to like, share and subscribe my channel. And one more thing is, I have just created a Facebook page. The notification of the competitive exams and the updates I am posting over there. So I have given you the link also of the Facebook page in the description box. Kindly join that group to get the updates daily basis. Fine, so let's now start the session. Is all about adjective, definition and types. Now if I talk about what is adjective, so simply the answer will be a word that qualifies a noun or a pronoun. Definition of adjective is a word that qualifies a noun or a pronoun will be considered as an adjective. Fine. Okay. So how to understand how it qualifies? We cannot say that adjectives are certain words. We can also say anything that qualifies a noun or a pronoun will be considered as an adjective. That means a short definition of adjective will be added to. Something added to a noun, something added to a pronoun. Now I have given you here an example. He gave me 5 mangoes. So he is my subject. Gave is your verb here. Me 5 mangoes. So mangoes again come as an object, that is your noun. So here the question will arise, how many mangoes he gave you? He gave you 5 mangoes. So the word 5 is added before mangoes. That means 5 is qualifying the word mangoes. 5 is considered as an adjective here. Same way, I don't like that boy. Which boy? I don't like that boy. Which boy? So you have to answer in the sense like that boy. So that is considered as what? That is qualifying here boy. So that is considered as an adjective. That means what we understand. Here the simple meaning of adjective is any word that is added to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun is considered as an adjective. So remember here one thing, that adjective can be added before, adjective can also be added after. ठीक है, ये मैंडेटरी नहीं है कि एडजेक्टिव हमेशा बिफोर ही रहेगा. एडजेक्टिव हम लोग वो नाउन के बाद भी यूज कर सकते हैं, नाउन के बिफोर भी यूज कर सकते हैं. नाउ लेट्स गो थ्रू द टाइप्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स वन बाय वन. लेट मी से यू, हमारा ऑल टोटल 8 टाइप्स है एडजेक्टिव्स का. देयर आर ऑल टोटल 8 इन टाइप्स और 8 इन काइंड. नाउ फर्स्ट वन इज एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी. राइट, इसको हम लोग क्वालिटेटिव एडजेक्टिव भी बोलते हैं, नहीं तो डेस्क्रिप्टिव एडजेक्टिव भी बोलते हैं. राइट, फर्स्ट वन इज योर एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी. तो अभी पहले देखते हैं कि एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी होता क्या है. नाउ एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी शोज द काइंड और क्वालिटी ऑफ अ पर्सन और थिंग. एक ऐसा वर्ड जो कि एक इंसान नहीं तो एक थिंग का काइंड या फिर क्वालिटी बताता है. इसको हम लोग क्वालिटेटिव एडजेक्टिव नहीं तो डेस्क्रिप्टिव एडजेक्टिव भी बोलते हैं. राइट, मैंने नोट में क्या लिखा? इट आंसर्स द क्वेश्चन व्हाट काइंड. राइट, तो एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी आप जहां पर यूज करोगे उसको बेहतर जानने के लिए, मतलब कभी कभी हम लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि कैसे पता चलेगा कि ये कैसा एडजेक्टिव है. तो इसको बेहतर जानने के लिए आप क्वेश्चन अराइज कर सकते हो, किसका? व्हाट काइंड. राइट, जैसे मैंने बोला ही इज एन ऑनेस्ट मैन. इज अ व्हाट काइंड ऑफ मैन? व्हाट काइंड ऑफ मैन? ऑनेस्ट मैन. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सिटी? लार्ज सिटी. ठीक है, तो मैन और सिटी, मैन एंड सिटी यहाँ पर क्या है? आपका नाउन है. उनसे पहले, उनके बिफोर आपने क्या लगाया? ऑनेस्ट एज वेल एज द वर्ड यू हैव एडेड लार्ज. सो ही इज एन ऑनेस्ट मैन. कोलकाता इज अ लार्ज सिटी. तो यहाँ पर ऑनेस्ट और लार्ज, हियर द वर्ड ऑनेस्ट एंड लार्ज इज एक्टिंग एज व्हाट? एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, adjective of quality also known as qualitative, otherwise descriptive adjective. It shows the kind or the quality of a person or a thing. It answers the question what kind. Right, he is an honest man. Kolkata is a large city. Clear? Next, if I will go to the next type of adjective, let's see what was that. Now, before I go to the proper adjective, let me make you clear related to the uses. So now I will make you better understand in this format. Okay, now see. Adjective of quality. Adjective of quality can be written in two different ways. Adjective of quality can be written in two different ways. One is your attributive, one is your attributive, another one is your predicative, right? तो एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी को हम दो तरह से यूज कर सकते हैं. एक यूज है उसका एट्रीब्यूटिवली, दूसरा यूज है उसका प्रेडिकेटिवली. ओके, सो इफ आई से हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई adjective is used in an attributive way, or how to identify the attributive use. If adjective comes before a noun, if adjective comes before a noun, then that particular use is known as attributive use. If adjective comes after a verb, that is considered as your predicative use. ठीक है, एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी दो वे में यूज हो सकता है. एक होता है एट्रीब्यूटिवली, दूसरा होता है प्रेडिकेटिवली. राइट, एट्रीब्यूटिवली मीन्स व्हाट? एडजेक्टिव कम्स बिफोर नाउन. प्रेडिकेटिवली मीन्स व्हाट? वर्ब कम्स बिफोर एडजेक्टिव. ठीक है, फाइन. सो नाउ लेट अस टेक वन एग्जांपल टू कंसिडर इट. लेट अस टेक वन एग्जांपल. ओके, now suppose I write this is a sweet mango. This is a sweet mango. Next statement, this mango is sweet. So many students feel like a confusion that ये दोनों statement का meaning तो same ही लग रहा है. No. So पहले देखो, first I wrote this is a sweet mango. Second statement I wrote this mango is sweet. Right. In the first statement, this is a sweet mango. May sweet is your adjective and mango is your noun. Sweet is your adjective, mango is your noun. In the second statement, mango is your noun. Again, sweet is your adjective. But here a verb is interfering in between mango and sweet. That means here adjective is written before a noun. Here verb is written before an adjective. So when an adjective comes before a noun, that is considered as your attributively used, and if a verb is coming before an adjective, that is considered as your predicative use. Got my point? So adjective of quality or descriptive adjective or qualitative adjective means anything that shows a quality or a kind of a person or thing. It is having two types of uses. First use is attributive, which means adjective plus noun. Second use is predicatively, which means verb plus adjective. Clear? Okay. Now let's go to the next type of adjective, that is your proper adjective. What is proper adjective? Before that, let you see the examples here. Same thing I have written, used before a noun. Attributively, predicatively means used after a verb, or a verb comes before adjective, right? The lazy boy was punished. The boy is lazy. The lazy boy was punished. Now boy is your noun here. Before that you added lazy. Lazy is defining the boy. It is a quality. So now lazy is talking about boy. Adjective is written before noun. So this part of sentence is your attributively used. The boy is lazy. The boy is your subject. That is your noun. Then is coming what? Is. After that lazy. Lazy is your adjective. Before that is. That means verb plus adjective. Clear? Next comes your proper adjective. Remember students, any word that you create from a proper noun, okay, acts as an adjective. Any word that you create acts as an adjective and you took from proper noun will be considered as your proper adjective. कोई भी word अगर आप एडजेक्टिव के हिसाब कोई भी वर्ड अगर एडजेक्टिव के हिसाब से काम कर रहा हो बट वो एक प्रॉपर नाउन से फॉर्म हुआ हो तो उसको हम लोग प्रॉपर एडजेक्टिव बोलते हैं, राइट। तो अभी देखो इंडियन टी टी हो गया आपका नाउन, इंडियन हो गया आपका एडजेक्टिव। इंडियन कहां से आया? इंडिया से आया, इंडिया इज योर प्रॉपर नाउन, तो इंडियन हो गया आपका एडजेक्टिव, प्रॉपर एडजेक्टिव, राइट। ब्रिटिश रूल, ब्रिटिश केम फ्रॉम ब्रिटेन, ब्रिटेन प्रॉपर नाउन, ब्रिटिश प्रॉपर एडजेक्टिव, रूल इज योर व्हाट? नाउन अगेन, राइट। तो कोई भी वर्ड अगर प्रॉपर नाउन से फॉर्म हो रहा हो, एडजेक्टिव के हिसाब से काम कर रहा हो तो वो आपका बन गया प्रॉपर एडजेक्टिव। हम लोग बोल सकते हैं बुद्धिस्ट मॉन्स्ट्रीज, बुद्धिस्ट मॉन्स्ट्रीज, मॉन्स्ट्रीज नाउन, बुद्धिस्ट एडजेक्टिव केम फ्रॉम विच फॉर्म फ्रॉम विच प्रॉपर नाउन? बुद्ध, राइट। देन कम्स एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी। नाउ सी, इसमें बहुत स्टूडेंट्स कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी और एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर में, राइट। तो ये हमेशा याद रखो कि एडजेक्टिव जो है आपका आंसर देगा, एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी जो है आपका आंसर देगा हाउ मच का, एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर आपका आंसर देगा हाउ मेनी का, राइट। नाउ यू कैन सी एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी आंसर्स हाउ मच, एडजेक्टिव्स ऑफ नंबर आंसर्स हाउ मेनी। तो एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी क्या होता है? एनीथिंग दैट शोज क्वांटिटी, अदरवाइज हाउ मच ऑफ अ थिंग इज मेंट। कोई भी ऐसा एडजेक्टिव जो कि क्वांटिटी को इंडिकेट करे, इट आंसर्स द क्वेश्चन हाउ मच। तो इसको बेहतर जानने के लिए आप हाउ मच से क्वेश्चन अराइज करो, यू क्रिएट अ क्वेश्चन बाय यूजिंग हाउ मच। अगर आंसर क्वांटिटी का आया देन इट इज एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी। इफ द आंसर इज गिवन बाय द क्वेश्चन हाउ मेनी तो वो बन जाएगा आपका एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर। नाउ लेट अस गो थ्रू सम एग्जांपल्स। ही हैज लिटिल इंटेलिजेंस, so can you count little? You can only weigh that, right? He has little intelligence, ये तो नंबर नहीं हो सकता, तो ये आपका क्या हो गया? एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी। There has not been sufficient rain this year, आप sufficient कुछ भी हो सकता है, राइट। तो sufficient you cannot count, so sufficient आपका इस कौन सा सेंस दिया? sufficient यहाँ पर आपका क्वांटिटी का सेंस दिया। so how much rain? sufficient rain. how much intelligence? little intelligence. that means any adjective that answers the question how much will be considered under adjective of quantity. Next comes adjective of number. Now see beta, this is very important as compared to the other types. Adjective of number is also known as numeral adjective. ये क्या इंडिकेट करता है? हाउ मेनी, यू नो मच इज यूज्ड फॉर अनकाउंटेबल, मेनी इज यूज्ड फॉर काउंटेबल। सो ऐसे भी याद रख सकते हो। सो वेन एवर यू आर यूजिंग क्वांटिटी देन मच इज यूज, दैट मीन्स अनकाउंटेबल। वेर एवर यू आर यूजिंग नंबर मेनी इज यूज, दैट इज countable, but we are having certain exceptions. Now what you need to remember as a note point for adjective of number, that is how many. how many का अगर आंसर आया तो वो आपका बन जाएगा adjective of number. If it arises the question how many, then it gives you the clearance of adjective of number. Now I have taught you many things, right? There are no pictures in this book. I have taught you many things. There are no pictures in this book. The word many and the word no here are considered as what? Adjective of number, or else you can say numeral adjective. See dear students, adjective of number can be subdivided into three different categories. Adjective of number can be subdivided into three different categories. One is your definite, another one is your indefinite, another one is your distributive. So distributive we will read later. Now let us focus definite and indefinite. So definite numeral adjective means it shows an exact value. Indefinite numeral adjective means it will not show an exact value, not an exact value. तो डेफिनाइट न्यूमरल एडजेक्टिव क्या हो गया? एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू शो करेगा. इनडेफिनाइट एडजेक्टिव्स क्या हो गया? एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू शो नहीं करेगा. नाउ फ्रॉम द स्लाइड्स विद द एग्जांपल यू विल गेट टू नो इट वेरी क्लियरली. नाउ लेट अस फोकस. सी हियर, Numeral adjectives are of three kinds. Definite numeral adjectives, exact number, that means 1, 2, 3, first, second, third, fourth, like this. Okay, अगर आप लोग number consider करो under definite numeral adjective, if you are considering number, right, that is known as what? Cardinal. Under definite numeral adjective, that indicates what, or that denotes what? Exact number. So there are two phases of number. One is cardinal, another one is ordinal. If it is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then cardinal. If it is rank, first, second, third, fourth, then it is what? Ordinal. So definite can be cardinal, definite can be ordinal. Okay. Next, indefinite adjective, that means there is no number nor else there is any rank. Indefinite means not an exact value. All, no, many, few, some, several, जिसको आप काउंट कर सकते हो, right? But exact number नहीं होगा. There will not be an exact number, but you can count it. So it will consider under what? Numeral adjective. Distributive numeral adjective means what? It refers to each one of a number. See, distributive adjective comes under numeral adjective, but in some grammar books it has been considered, or it has been written in a separate way, or as a separate part of adjective, but I have included this here. I have included this distributive numeral adjective under numeral adjective, but this can be also considered in a separate way. ठीक है, तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव न्यूमरल एडजेक्टिव, जैसे कि हम लोग डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रोनाउन पढ़े थे, वैसे ही डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव है. सो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव न्यूमरल एडजेक्टिव मतलब हम लोग क्या सोचेंगे? एडजेक्टिव का नाम आया मतलब वो नाउन को और नहीं तो प्रोनाउन को क्वालिफाई करता है. Now, on either side is a narrow lane. What is distributive numeral adjective? That refers to each one of a number. Each one, हर एक को रेफर करता है, right? On either side is a narrow lane. Either is what? Adjective. Side is what? Noun. India expects every man to do his duty. Every man, हर एक इंसान, हर एक बंदा, right? तो man is your noun. Every is what? Distributive adjective. Okay, this is what? This either, every, these all words are indicating what? Or it refers each one of a number. Next comes your demonstrative adjective. Dear students, we have learnt in last class what is demonstrative pronoun, and in the same case I have already given you a brief on demonstrative adjective. So if any word or the word that demonstrates this, that, these, those, points out, right? Points out, it will be considered under demonstrative words. So demonstrative pronoun we are having, demonstrative adjective also we are having. That means this, that, these, those, such used before a noun will be considered as your demonstrative adjective. Simple. This boy is stronger than Harish. This boy is stronger than Harish. So this boy, here boy is your noun. Before the word boy you have added the word this. So anyway this is qualifying a noun. This is qualifying a noun, that is your boy. So here it is acting as what? Demonstrative adjective. But अगर मैं बोलूँ this is a boy, this is a boy, right? That means here you are pointing out the boy, but here it is not qualifying the word. But in case of this is a boy, this will be considered as what? Demonstrative pronoun. If any questions you are getting after this, then feel free to message me. Next, I hate such things. I hate such things. Things क्या हो गया आपका? Noun हो गया. उसके पहले आपने क्या लगाया? Such. मतलब now the word such is qualifying the word thing. So such क्या हो गया आपका? Such हो गया आपका demonstrative adjective. Next comes interrogative adjective. Interrogative मतलब question form. Pronouns chapter में हम लोग पढ़े थे interrogative pronoun, right? Interrogative adjectives क्या होता है कि used with nouns to ask question. Questioning words used with nouns to ask question will be considered as your interrogative adjective. Which way shall we go? What manner of man is he? Okay. So now see, which way. Way आपका क्या हो गया? Noun हो गया. तो उसके पहले आपने which add किया. तो नाउन के पहले कुछ भी आ जाए तो वो एडजेक्टिव हुआ, बट मैटर करता है कि कैसा एडजेक्टिव. सो विच वे क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है तो वो इंटरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव हो गया. व्हाट मैनर, मैनर नाउन हो गया, उसके पहले आ गया व्हाट. तो कौन सा टाइप का एडजेक्टिव है ये व्हाट? फिर व्हाट हो गया आपका इंटरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव. नेक्स्ट पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव, पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन भी पढ़े थे. पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव मतलब एनी वर्ड दैट शोज पोजेशन प्रेजेंट बिफोर अ नाउन. माई कार, आर क्लास, योर बुक, माई पेन, this types of word. Distributive adjective I have already told you in case of your numeral adjective. So now let us revise. Adjective, what is adjective? A word that qualifies a noun or a pronoun. Okay, so types of adjectives, consider the first type, that is your adjective of quality, also known as qualitative and also known as descriptive. What it shows? Kind or quality. And what kind of question it answers? It answers what type of question? It will be what kind. Next, now he is an honest man. Kolkata is a large city. What type of man? Honest man. What type of city? Large city. Clear? We can use this in two different ways. First is your attributively, second is your predicatively. Attributive means comes before a noun, predicative means verb plus adjective. The lazy boy was punished, the boy is lazy. Next type of your adjective is your proper adjective. Word forms from proper noun. Buddhist monasteries, Indian tea, British rule, right? French berries, this types of word. Adjective of quantity, that shows how much, or it answers the question how much, right? Next, adjective of number, it shows how many, answers the question how many. We are having three different types of numeral adjective. First is your definite, that means cardinal, ordinal. Cardinal means number, ordinal means rank. Indefinite adjective, it never shows an definite number or an exact value. All, no, many, few, some, this type. Then your distributive, that will be indicating each one of a number, either, every, this types of word. Demonstrative, any word that points out a person or a thing used before a noun, and generally it answers the question which boy, this boy, which thing, such things, right? Next, interrogative adjectives, used with nouns to ask question, which way, what manner. Okay, possessive adjective, used before noun, my car, our class. Okay, distributive adjectives I have already referred. So I have just given you some ideas related to these 8 types of adjectives. After knowing these 8 types, when we are going to solve the rules, or when we are going to understand the rules, it will be very easy for you to get through the uses of adjectives. Okay, and remember one thing, adjective is not like the uses only before noun or pronoun, whereas it is like of, we can also use it after a verb. Fine. If it is used before a noun or a pronoun, then that will be considered as your attributively use, and if it is after a verb, then that will be your predicative use. So anything that qualifies a noun or a pronoun is considered as an adjective. After this video, we will be coming across the rules and the uses of adjective, after which it will be easy for you to go for the questions and to solve it clearly, right? And as I already said, the previous videos link I have already given in this description box. Kindly go through that. If you have any problems, you can comment over there, or you are having my personal number, you can message me, or you can join our you can join our Facebook page, and the description link in the description I have already provided you the link to. Now after this I will be going through adjectives, and yes, what I told you in the last class, that we will be solving the questions of noun pronouns. So I thought of completing adjectives and then going for nouns and pronouns. Let this chapter get over and we will be doing a miscellaneous part of all these 3, right? So hope you are enjoying. Please do like, share and subscribe, and any doubts or any queries, if you feel like, feel free to message or to call me. Thanks for today. We'll see you in the next session. Thank you.